Okay, I just want to talk about a few problems with you, some things that I saw you guys doing in this assignment that I just want to address with everyone. So a couple things, just little things to be aware of. First of all, always give your answer in fraction form. Secondly, reduce your fraction as much as possible. So in something like number 8, when I do a direct substitution, I'm going to plug 4 into that expression. So I'll get 4 minus 1 over 4 squared plus 2 times 4 plus 3. And that's going to give me something like this, which ends up being 3 over 27. While this is the correct answer, I want you to reduce this. So I would make this 1/9. Another common mistake I saw was just not following order of operations. So on something like number 3, when I plug in -3, I'm going to have this 2 times -3 squared plus 4 times -3 plus 1. I need to make sure that my order of operations is followed. So I'd have -3 squared. Remember, PEMDAS, so parentheses and exponents come first. I have an exponent on -3. I need to do that first. So I would do then 2 times -3 squared, which is positive 9, plus 4 times -3 is going to be -12. So it's actually minus 12 plus 1. And then I end up with 18 minus 12 plus 1. And that ends up being 6 minus 1, which is, or 6 plus 1, which is 7. Okay, so those two things were pretty common mistakes that I saw you guys making in class. Also something like number 4. So let's look at number 4. With number 4, you plugging in -2. So -2 cubed minus 6 times -2 plus 5. Okay, guys, -2 cubed literally means this: -2 times -2 times -2. Okay, and then we're going to have -6 times -2 is plus 12 plus 5. -2 times -2 times -2 ends up being -8. And that's where a lot of you made your mistake because you put positive 8. All right, and then we end up with 17 minus 8, which is 9. So those were a few things, and we're going to talk about 14 in class. But other than that, those are the few things that I wanted to touch on from this homework assignment. The other thing is I did want you to just plug it in. Do not try to make tables here or look at the graph. I just wanted you to plug in because these are well-behaved functions. You can just go right to a direct substitution, and that was the goal of this assignment. Okay, hope this helps.